Welcome back to Motor Pulse, the channel where innovation meets performance. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most luxurious and talked about vehicles of the future, the 2026 Cadillac Eldorado Motorhome. Cadillac has officially entered the motorhome world, and the result is nothing short of breathtaking. The name, Eldorado, already carries a legacy of elegance and power, and now, that legacy returns in a form no one expected, as a high-end motorhome that blends opulence, performance, and cutting-edge technology like never before. Let's start with the exterior design, because this thing commands attention even before you step inside. The 2026 Eldorado Motorhome looks like it was sculpted from pure sophistication. Cadillac's design team has gone bold, combining the brand's signature vertical lighting with a streamlined aerodynamic silhouette. The front fascia is unmistakably Cadillac, featuring a massive illuminated crest that doubles as a smart sensor hub. The headlights are ultra-slim OLED arrays that adapt to terrain and weather automatically. Every inch of this motorhome feels futuristic yet classically Cadillac. The body structure uses a hybrid aluminum-carbon composite, making it both lightweight and rigid. This gives the Eldorado incredible stability at highway speeds while improving efficiency. On the sides, you get flush-mounted smart windows that tint automatically, and sleek chrome lines that emphasize motion even when parked. The 26-inch turbine alloy wheels are wrapped in adaptive air suspension, allowing the entire vehicle to raise or lower based on driving conditions or campsite setup. The rear end is pure art, with a full-width LED light bar, integrated spoiler, and a power lift system for easy cargo access. It even features a built-in drone launch pad for aerial exploration or parking assistance. Yes, Cadillac actually included that. There's also a 360-degree camera system and lidar sensors for autonomous driving on highways and open roads. Now let's talk performance, because this motorhome isn't just about luxury, it's about redefining what power on wheels feels like. Under the body sits Cadillac's new Tri-Volta EV drive system, powered by a 250 kWh solid-state battery pack. This setup delivers around 1,200 horsepower and an unbelievable 1,600 Nm of torque, instantly available thanks to the triple electric motor configuration, one up front and two at the rear. With this, the Eldorado Motorhome can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 4.8 seconds, a stunning number for something this size. Range anxiety? Not here. Cadillac claims a range of up to 620 miles on a single charge, supported by solar-augmented roof panels that can extend range by 30 to 40 miles per day. Fast charging gets you from 10% to 80% in just 20 minutes with Cadillac's new Ultra-Charge system. The all-wheel drive layout adapts to terrain automatically, supported by AI-driven torque distribution. Whether it's cruising on the interstate or tackling mountain routes, the ride remains whisper-quiet and perfectly composed. The air suspension system is next level. It scans the road 1,000 times per second, adjusting damping for every wheel independently. Combine that with noise cancellation glass and Cadillac's Magnetic Ride 4.0, and you get a drive that feels like floating through space. The regenerative braking system is intelligent enough to feed power back to the grid when plugged in at home. This is more than a motorhome, it's a mobile power station. Now, stepping into the interior, it's like entering a luxury penthouse on wheels. The design philosophy follows Cadillac's artful serenity theme, blending handcrafted leather, American walnut, and ambient lighting that adjusts with your mood. The cabin greets you with a panoramic 38-inch curved OLED display spanning the dashboard, integrated with Cadillac's Aurora AI assistant. You can control lighting, temperature, entertainment, or navigation with natural voice commands. The driver's seat feels like a command center, with haptic feedback controls and a crystal-inspired steering interface. Moving toward the living space, the Eldorado offers a modular lounge that transforms into a dining area, entertainment zone, or sleeping quarters with just a voice command. Every surface feels premium, from the suede ceiling to the illuminated floor panels that change color as you walk. Cadillac didn't hold back on convenience either. The kitchen is fully electric, with an induction cooktop, smart refrigerator, and retractable counters. The bathroom features a rainfall shower with water recycling tech, keeping sustainability in mind. There's even a full-sized washer-dryer combo hidden seamlessly behind panel doors. And yes, it's Wi-Fi 7 ready with satellite connectivity for streaming, gaming, or work from anywhere. At night, the ambient light system transforms the space into a calm retreat, synced with your circadian rhythm. You can dim the lights, Play soft music through the 30-speaker AC 3D surround system, and rest in a temperature-controlled memory foam bed, all powered by solar and battery reserves. In short, the 2026 Cadillac Eldorado Motorhome is not just a vehicle. It's the embodiment of Cadillac's vision for the future of luxury travel, where technology, comfort, and sustainability merge into a single breathtaking experience. It's bold, it's elegant, and it's unlike anything the motorhome world has ever seen. Thanks for watching Motor Pulse. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay tuned for more deep dives into the world's most incredible automotive innovations. The future of travel is here, and Cadillac just made it electric.